Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going today? So today's date is July the 2nd. It is just beautiful here in Istanbul, Turkey all week. It is going to be 21 degrees, and my cat decided to crash my stream here. You guys can say hi to Bella. Bella, can you get off of the computer? Come on. There you go. So today we're going to take a look at the market. I'll be working up until Friday, July the 19th. And then after that, I'm heading to Canada to visit my friends in Montreal and my parents in Winnipeg for about a week and a half or so. And when I'm in Montreal for that weekend, I'm actually going to be hosting a yacht party on July the 21st on a Sunday. And 8 random people are going to be able to join me. I'm going to Montreal with a huge group of friends, with people flying into Montreal from all over the world, from even as far as in the UK. They're coming down as well. Some are coming from other places in Canada. So I'm having a yacht party with them. We rented a massive 63 feet yacht, and 8 random people will be able to join me. So if you are interested, you are welcome to DM me. The only criteria that you must meet is you have to come with your partner or your girlfriend or your boyfriend. That's what I would prefer, to come as a couple. And secondly, of course, not causing any drama at all. And there will be, unfortunately, excessive drinking on the yacht as well, where we can swim in the Great Lakes. We can go around the seaside there in the Great Lakes and take a look at the city. So this is an afternoon party that I'm hosting. If you're interested, DM me. And no, you cannot plan this ahead of time or RSVP it, because what's likely going to happen is the night before, on the Saturday, I'll be going out with my huge group of friends. Then we're going to go down somewhere on St. Catherine Street and have a party there and invite a bunch of people down. I'll announce where I am on Twitter, and then you guys can come down and we can hang out. And then I'll just invite 8 random people. So if you're from out of town, I don't recommend making sure that you get a spot, because that's not going to happen. It's going to be very random, the event. And you never know, in case there's bad weather as well. If you're from out of town and you planned it, if there's bad weather, it's got to be canceled, right? So looking forward to that. Also, another piece of news is there's only 1 slot left available for my elite tier membership. If you guys are not a part of it or haven't heard about it, make sure you listen closely. So the exclusive membership, it offers cutting edge AI strategies, where it includes confirmation based tactics. And you also get a revolutionary alert system using the AI signals group. And you also get access to my advanced volatility scanner. So you're going to get access to the elite group, where it's much more engaging. I'm engaging in the group a lot, talking about some of the live trades that I'm taking live as well. You're also going to get access to a much more engaging group where I'm there much more. You're going to get access to the advanced volatility scanner. You're going to get access to the alerts channel as well. You're going to get a full course within the elite group, like another course as well, okay? Like a completely brand new course in the elite group that talks about things like finding methods to trade, methods to enter a trade, methods to exit the trade, how to exit the bull market. You're going to get as well an Elliott Wave crash course. So all of this is actually inside of the elite group. So you can get access to that. On top of that, you're going to get so much more. You're going to get every single course I've ever made before. So you'll get the day trading course, the 2024 investors guide, and the brand new advanced mastery course. Only 5 people can join this a month, actually. That's it. I barely talk about it because it's that exclusive. And July's coming up, so there's actually 1 more slot. So the cost to join this is $850 if you are not a current lifetime member. If you are a current lifetime member already in my Discord group, then the cost is $550. So this is one of the things that you buy to invest in yourself for long term. If you are serious about trading and you want to learn from one of the top traders out there and investors, I have a gigantic portfolio. I've traded in the millions of dollars already. You guys all know my reputation. So if you would like to learn from me and take trading seriously and commit to yourself and make an investment in yourself, this is the place to be. I guarantee that you will be happy with it, and the course content that you get is going to be worth it and very well engaging. So let's take a look at the market to see how everything has been trending thus far. So we know that Bitcoin has broken out, but unfortunately not much has happened yet. This has been a long-term trending resistance. You can see how the last time something broke a trendline support, what ended up happening? It ended up dropping significantly. The whole market got destroyed. So this last rally ended up making higher lows for 37 days until it broke. And this one kept making lower lows for 24 days before it broke up. So right now, there's a good chance that we can end up hitting $72,000 again. But I need to warn everybody that there's also still a chance for us to hit the lower trend line here where the 55 EMA, the 50 EMA and the chandelier exit meet on the 4-day. People say that we don't have to get there. You're right, we don't. But you got to remember that we got there once before over here. We got there twice. We got there 3 times. We got there 4 times. We got there 5 times. So the chances of us not hitting it is low in my opinion. There's still the chance of this happening as well. My opinion is there's one of 2 things that can happen. A straight rally up there or a drop first and then a rally. So one of 2 things is going to happen. But either way, this is leading up into a very bullish market, in my opinion, looking into the months of September and on. Maybe end of August a little bit, there might be some bullish momentum. But I believe for a fact that near the end of the year, because it's after the halving event, accumulation is now heavily sinking in. Elections are coming up as well. Many institutions are racking up crypto right now. So I think that big banks are here to not let crypto fail, and they're all adding it into their assets and also pitching it to their clients as well. Crypto is too big. It's not going to be going anywhere. So for those that are not bullish long term, you have to take a look at the longer term outlook and realize that there's a very high likelihood of something happening in the future where we're going to hit some massive highs. So other than that today, taking a look at the volatility indicator, we see that not many coins are moving at all. We see Bonk, we see Beam, we see ENS, and that's it. And ZRO, which was a big mover yesterday, where I made $3,600 on it. Other than that, my volatility scanner here, it scans for 5% movement in 2 hours, 10% movement in 4 hours, 15% in 24 hours, and 20% movement in 2 days. If anything hits this volatility criteria, then it would highlight green. And the only thing that we see are on the higher time frames. The 4th column relates to the 4th one here. And only Bonk, ENS, and ZRO have actually moved anything significantly at all. Other than that, the market is still at a standstill. We're going to have to wait to see how things shape up and give it a few more days. I wanted to give you guys a very quick update, and I will update you tomorrow. Have yourselves a great day. Thank you for tuning in. If you are enjoying these very short videos of mine, hit a thumbs up, show me some love, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure that you do. We'll talk soon. Bye now.